Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. Now, if I can't beat them, I'll join them. If you're going to boost your Facebook posts and you're not interested in learning how to run Facebook ads properly through Ads Manager, guess what? That's okay. Except one of the biggest mistakes that I see when people are boosting posts is that they simply glance over the limited options that Facebook gives you when you're boosting your post. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is with geographic targeting. Instead of just promoting their business in a small radius around Brisbane City, for example, they're pushing their money out to the whole state. So that one little Facebook post intended just to be this small pocket of population is actually being shown in Cairns, in Townsville, up at Port Douglas. And that's just wasted money. So if you really want to boost your posts, and I'll just accept it, no problem, we'll still be friends. If you want to boost your posts, pay attention to where your ads are being shown geographically. Make sure it's where you want to be seen. Until next week, everyone.